Hello again. Today is going to be a resource review. So, what that means is trying to see if a website or a blog or maybe a teaching tool is worthwhile. So, there are a few of them that we could go over, like O'Reilly, lynda.com. There's other ones, Free Code Camp, Code Academy. There are more that exist, and I'll just go through them and let you know if it's good, right? So the one today is going to be dataquest.io. So if you would go into your browser and put dataquest.io, you could get to the website and you'll see this front page about data science. So if you wanted to get into Python web development, this might not be a good initial starting point, but there is a beginner courses for Python in general. So that means if you wanted to learn the fundamentals of Python in an interactive, high quality way for free, because with the trial you get the Python fundamentals and I think these two right here, pandas, NumPy, and MATLib right here, Matplotlib, and those are just some frameworks that are for beginners in data science. So you get pretty much all of these except for the ones that are locked when you just make an account. So this will be good just to get started if you didn't want to pay. I believe it's like $25 a month, right, or 29 right here, um, and they're highly interactive. So how it works? Let's just go into one. Let's go to Programming Fundamentals, Programming in Python for the first time, and each lesson is called a mission, and the lessons are separated into small chapters. So you have 9 chapters in Programming in Python. It teaches you the very beginning, and I believe this is better than a book, especially if you're completely new. It shows you what you're going to learn right in the first one, kind of motivates you, and on the left you'll have what you have to learn. You read how to do things, how to basically work in the code and just basic syntax, and then on the right you would put information. You put the actual code, and then it tests it. You run it, and then it also parses through the code to tell you, it goes through the code character by character to tell you if you did it right. And you do this for all 9 of them. You learn on your left and you practice on your right. And you do that for 9 chapters, and then that's a mission. At the end of the mission, you get takeaways. I keep this and go over these on my own to sort of keep things memorized. And it's like that all the way to object-oriented Python, which is very good, not bad, I'll tell you that much. The pandas and NumPy fundamentals were essential for me when it came to my university classes on machine learning. And we didn't get too far, it was just text processing. We never got into advanced concepts in scikit-learn. But these pandas fundamentals are really, really good. I couldn't find another course like Free Code Camp or Code Academy that did pandas and NumPy this well. So when I went through these courses, it was very awesome. When I was finished, I felt like an expert in pandas because I was doing anything I wanted. And they basically teach you not to memorize the functions, the methods, right? The variables, the properties, right? The members. I'm saying the same words over and over, the same concepts over and over with different words. But it tells you not to memorize things. Instead, you use the documentation and you use IntelliSense or Code Complete. And it just teaches you what you need to know to understand the functions and to understand what pandas is, the basic concepts, right? Like NumPy with the 2-dimensional array, pandas with the data frame. And if you don't know what that is, then this would be good for you after you have finished the Python fundamentals. Then right here you do do Matplotlib, I believe. Um, and it's pretty good because it's hard to find really good courses on Matplotlib. So I went through these and I was able to make automatic charts with any program, and I could just pop it up. Just all I need is data, right? All I need is a data set, and I could just post things with Matplotlib, and it's pretty good. So this continues on, right? There are, I believe, there's only 2 courses in the fundamentals, then there's like 6 here, and it's a lot. It goes up until, as you can see, like SQL, then statistics, and it also goes into machine learning, I think past step 6, and it has to go into math in order for you to understand the machine learning. Once you get to 6 with all of the machine learning, the price of it doubles, but I was told that the teachings are fantastic for machine learning. And I myself, I really want to go through as much as I can, look, deep learning, Kaggle competitions. I wonder what step 8 is. Advanced topics, right? Data structures and algorithms. I actually learned this stuff in my classes. I believe this Git and version control would be good. Yeah, and then you're done. And once you have finished these steps, like steps 1 through 8, you can apply for a referral system, I believe. Let's see if I could find it. So this referral system is to help you get a job. And the idea is you finish each of these courses, and then you tell the owner of the website, hey, I need a job, and they're supposed to help you find it with a referral system from dataquest.io. And they're supposed to have like a mentorship thing. So like, look, if we go to view plans, you will see resume reviews, career coaching, where you are given support to start a career. It was much more straightforward. They were more pushy with the career advice, and I think they kind of chilled out trying to get you a job. But yeah, it's really good. I recommend dataquest.io, especially if you want to do data analytics. If you are a beginner, the fundamentals are great. There's no reason not to try it. And after this, I will see if I could do other resources. I believe there are a lot of good ones out there, and this is one of the good ones. There are some that are not good that I don't recommend, or some that are only for beginners, but this one is good all the way. All right, I hope you learned something about dataquest.io right here. Take a look at that. See, learning on the left, coding on the right. Okay, hope you learned something. Have a good one.